Hey, how are you? I just want to make a super quick video because there was a big announcement that was made today by one of the top CIBC analysts and economists. They just released a news article, which I'll include in this email, that they predict that rate increases are going to stop as of September, October this year, which was kind of predicted all along. They've almost achieved what they want to in terms of cooling down the real estate market here in Ontario. But one thing I want to keep in mind, and one thing that I've predicted from the very beginning, is this is a map behind me which shows year over year sales volume and not price. This is sales volume. Okay. So we have 19, 20, 21, 22. Obviously, we're down here. We are at a lower point compared to other previous years. But what I want to show you is the pattern. One thing people forget, and I've forgotten this whole interest rate hike thing, is that sales volume has been low for the last 7 years. And the two lowest months have always been July and August. So as you see here in the past 4 years, we've had the same pattern. People don't understand that right now, yes, interest rate hikes are a main factor in terms of cooling the market. But what else is happening is that we've been locked up in COVID for the last 3 years. So this is the first summer people have had to really enjoy their summer. So that's why we're seeing an extra low volume, sales volume, because people are traveling again. People are enjoying their summers for the first time in years. So now that they've announced that this rate hike storm is over or likely going to be over, I think we're going to see a very drastic uprise in sales volume, not necessarily price, but we're going to see sales volume pick back up. Whenever there's any sort of uncertainty in the market, first-time home buyers specifically and some investors usually take a step back, and that's what's happened, and that's why the rental market is so crazy, because these first-time home buyers are scared. They don't know what's happening. They keep seeing this news, this doomsday news about rate hikes continuing, so they've taken a step back and jumped into the rental market. So now that they've announced this news, and I think we're going to start seeing more and more of these type of news articles come out about rate hikes pausing or coming to an end, we're going to see people jump back into the market. And I don't want you to miss out on this lulled market and this slow market where you can take your time and go under asking, because even if sale price really isn't affected, if sales volume is, sales price will follow that. And I think that's what we're going to see in the next few months coming here. Patio season's over. People have traveled now. They've got out of their system. They've partied enough. And I think it's time to kind of jump back into really what's important. And that's investing or buying a home for a lot of people. So I don't want you to miss this. And I just want to show you here with this map or this graph behind me showing sales percent volume year over year. We've seen this pattern before. We have seen this for the last 7 years consecutively. Don't miss this. Don't miss this opportunity. All right. Again, I don't think this is going to change overnight, but this is going to change a lot of things and open a lot of people's eyes that were scared before, and puts a little bit of calm into their decision-making process. And yeah, so anyways, I tried to make this video as short as possible, and obviously I went longer than expected, as per usual. So if you want to jump on a Zoom call or FaceTime or call, whatever, let me know, and we can go into this with more depth, okay?